that kiss hit me like this. When I look at your lips, my hands start to miss. I press them gently with one trembling finger. Why does it feel like if we kiss, I would never stop? You stand so still, watching my heartbeat on my neck, like you hear it call from under my skin. Without you doing much, I stand here in pure ecstasy, losing my sanity. Blue eyes, white wolf, don't let go. I already know my inner she-wolf starts to howl. When you love me like this, mark me slow. I won't say no. Can't you hear her howl? Only a wolf bite could give me this fever, a sharp little mark, and I'm leaning in deeper. Are we mates? You never say it loud. You watch my neck like you could miss a spark. It's almost cruel how sweet it seems. Each bite sends chills through my whole body. I should back away, but I want it too badly. Blue eyes, white wolf, don't let go. I already know my inner she-wolf starts to howl. When you love me like this, mark me slow. I won't say no. Can't you hear her howl? Did you fall in love with my inner she-wolf? Kissing her behind the ear, it calms her down. Unleash her, take control, send chills up her spine. You know that she doesn't mind. Whoa, no, she doesn't mind. Blue eyes, white wolf, don't let go. I already know my inner she-wolf starts to howl. When you love me like this, mark me slow. I won't say no. Can't you hear her howl?